In this chronicle, AI breathes life into the 1998 Eastern Canada ice storm, a quiet catastrophe that froze cities overnight. Power lines snapped, neighborhoods dimmed, and a pale dawn revealed trees bowed like glass. The AI traces each fragile moment in crisp, cinematic frames. It shows rescuers weaving through snow and families lighting candles to map a path through the storm. The animation highlights the science behind the disaster, from ice growth to grid failures, while honoring the people behind the headlines. By the end, resilience blooms from the frost, reminding that cold events can spark warmth in communities.